Here we go, first test drive. Alright, so the exhaust is on. Everything underneath the car is hooked up. Everything on the inside of the engine is hooked up. The last piece of the puzzle is the clutch pedal. What we got here is a Wilwood clutch pedal. I have the 350Z master cylinder attached to it. I mean, not the best way, but it's gonna work. So I didn't show everything about how I made the clutch pedal and all what I was doing because I had to figure it out, and that took quite a while. But let me show you what I've done so far. So I attached the master cylinder to the clutch pedal, got all the tubes for it, and I was looking at the pedals and how I could fit this clutch in there. Let me show you what I found out. So I took this cover piece off that was here, and I also took the bottom cover off that's underneath here. I had to undo all these wires just to get to this one spot. But if we look at where we can see the two pedals right here, and then if you follow up where the steering column goes, there is a brace bar which is right there. And that seems to be the only place I could put it, because I can't really attach it to the firewall because it has a weird shape to it. And there is a certain little space up right between these two wires. So basically it's resting on top of that, and there's no real way to secure it down. So what I had to do is I created this bracket. It has two mounting holes right here that'll fit onto this. I also threaded these holes so they would fit. I have a 90 that comes off with a hole in it, and then there's two step downs because it fits in better like that, and then I have two mounting holes right there. You put the clutch pedal in, put the bracket underneath, put the two bolts in right there and right there, and then this 90 right here connects to the brake pedal bracket. So let me put this back in there. We got to drill some holes for these mounting places and then bolt it up and put the lines back on. So the bolts are done on that. Now we're gonna put some holes into the firewall. We're gonna put one to the right of the steering column right here for the brake clutch line. So here's the hole we drilled right there. So after we feed the line through there, we're just gonna bend it over the steering shaft, bend it up, come straight up here, and then we'll do a 90 right into the master cylinder. Okay, so we got the clutch bled. We got the reservoir set up here just because I don't have any place in the firewall set up yet. This is a nice little temporary fix. Clutch pedal is on. Feels about right. Shifter is here. We don't have anything hooked up except the old shifter computer. So we'll see if that works. We're in neutral. Everything is hooked up there. Let's try to start it.
I say so.
Alright, time for a little test drive. Let's get this. Here we go, first test drive. Let's see if it goes into gear. Hopefully that's reverse. I don't know what that noise is, but something shaking really bad. I have no idea what it is. Does not sound happy. Oh, baby. Oh, my. Christ, bro. I didn't know it was in gear. I'm gonna give you guys some quick donuts before we put a part 2 up, because it's not done yet, but it's running, so let's get into it.
Look, floating around with a chopper like a fucking demon. The man with the hat bless my trap like the deacon. His bitch acting thirsty, so I gave that hoe some semen. I took my floaties off and went head first straight to the deep end. Been trapping all week, I counted all up on the weekend. I throw a party with my thugs and only let the freaks in. I went from nothing now to something, bitches let that sink in. You disrespect, get out your body, I'ma leave you leaking. Can't see up in the whip, it's too much smoke, can't even peek in. Exhausted, like I'm feeling drowsy, I smoke for no reason. My bitch ain't regular, she looking fine for no reason. My dog switched up on me quick, he hit me with the treason. He asked me why I got him hit, I said I got a reason. They know I get it how I live and that be every season. They said he coming back for more, I got the junkies fiending. I like to get that money, know the way it got me feeling. Fucked up off the jar, pour a cup and spill it. You listen closer to my music and I bet you feel it. I got a pocket full of dope and I bet I deal it. You try to jack up the pole and your head I split it. I heard he talking about yappa like he ain't with it. I say the gas every day, I hear you say the midget. And I don't gotta say shit, I know the bitches with it. I pull up quick, open the door and she hop up in it. She say that I'm the realest, hands down, I know she mean it. We get it to the crib, I still got the whole thing. And I ain't gotta say that I'm the realest. So don't say that you love, cause you let the whole team in. I gotta move with caution, know they wanna snatch my soul. I'm hearing voices in my head, they tell me where to go. Is it a demon or an angel? Guess I never know. I hear the pain I feel by counting up and blowing